SC Speed RC Racing.
Alright, so we're gonna do an unboxing. So just checking, taking, open it up. You can see, we're gonna take a look at this packaging. You see that the mail did not do their job as far as keeping this packaging together. You can see right here, package tore up. Looks like it's been crushed. The taping, they did try to tape it good, but that's all they did. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see. We don't even need the knife. Rip it open. You see, we don't have no packaging in here. Put this to the side. You ready for it? Here we have the 3Racing chassis that we just got. Now we're gonna unbox this for you, so we can get a good look at and see what 3Racing chassis have to offer this time. Alright, so we open the box like so. Let's see what we got inside. So in the packaging, back here we got some oil, shock oil, differential oil, thread lock, ceramic grease. We got some tools in here. Yeah, nice. You see that here? We got number, see, this is G. And G, we got the shocks, springs. All these shocks here are oil field shocks, so that's nice. We got number 8. Let's see what we got here. Number 8. This here looks like it is the front bumper body mount towers. So that's nice there. We got number 5. We got here for number 5. Number 5 looks like oh, here we go. We got some dog bones here. We have the steering linkages here. So that's number 5. Number 4. We got the top deck, ball joints. Number 4. Number 1. You got gears, the differential that's inside, oil field differential. Put that there. Let's see what else you got. Number 7. Servo setup for the servo. Put in the look like for the battery, so you can put the battery in place. We have number 3. This is the belts, bearings, some more ball joints. Number 3. And number 2, we got a chassis. So yeah, this is a 110 scale car. And we also get the stickers, which we never really use, but we may put this on a car. This one. And we got a book. Let's see what the book has to offer. Oh shoot, look at this book. Everything is, looks like it's in color. A book in color? Crazy. That's out of this. That's like crazy that they took the time out to do the whole entire book in color. The last books that they had in here, they weren't in color. They were just plain black and white. So that's something new. Let's see. You got a fan in here too? I wonder if that fan is something that you have to add in yourself. But it do have a picture of a fan, so let me go back. Let's see. Cooling fan mount. Oh, it say fan not included. So you're not getting no fan. But as we get going on this chassis, we will get some video of us putting this chassis together this time. and see what the difference is in this chassis, the 3Racing chassis. But this is a VTA car that I have, and the only reason that it's a VTA car from now on is because here these tires didn't fit, so now I have to I had to shave all these down in order to get those tires to fit on the front. So that's what makes it my VTA car now. So this is the unboxing. Thanks for watching.